In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to browse the internet on our Apple Watch. So Apple Watch doesn't support any browser installation, so we can't directly install any browser in our Apple Watch. But you can browse anything using your Siri on Apple Watch. To do that, first of all, press the crown to go to your app library and open the Settings app. In Settings app, scroll down and tap on Siri and make sure you have activated Siri on your Apple Watch. Now on, you can use Siri to search anything on browser. For example, I want to search for iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I'm just saying, hey Siri, search for iPhone 17 Pro Max on web browser.
Here's what I found.
And then here we can see bunch of different results according to my Siri search. Now I'm just opening any link. And we can see now I can easily browse this web page. So that's how you can actually use your Apple Watch Siri to browse anything on internet. Thanks for watching.